point for the outside that I'm finishing at 65 inches a minute is on this front right hand corner here, and there's just no witness mark there. When I measure this to size, the width and the length are within 1/10 the nominal right now. That's with one spring pass on the part at 65 inches a minute. So accuracy wise, box weigh machine, very, very good. This finishes so far, very good. The initial cuts with that face mill across the top, the tool is what you call a high feed, high positive insert mill. So it's very limited on how deep it can go per pass, but it can take a very heavy feed. I'm feeding that tool at 30 thousandths per flute on the feed rate. It's 151 inches a minute, going across the top of that at 70 thousandths depth of cut. It's about a 30 horsepower cut on this